Double-threaded backstitch builds up in simple stages, beginning with backstitch. I'm trying out different ideas for new designs, so I'm stitching a brown arch to suggest branches. I'll be using the double threads to give the impression of greenery. For the next stage, I'm starting at the beginning again. I've taken the hoop out of the stand because it's a bit easier to show you what I'm doing this way. I'm skipping the first stitch and weaving the needle under the second stitch, and then over through the fourth one. This is threaded backstitch. It's very similar to whipped backstitch, but the thread is woven through alternate stitches instead of every stitch. To create double-threaded backstitch, I'm weaving around the stitches that I skipped the first time. You can see that I'm also alternating the direction of the needle. I wove the first green thread under the second stitch and over the fourth stitch. This green is being woven over the first stitch and under the third. I can use the previous threading to guide me, and that way I build up an alternating pattern around the arch. I'm quite happy with that for starters. It's given me a few more ideas to play around with as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.